What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Type to Siri feature on iOS 18. Type to Siri is an accessibility feature that allows you to interact with Siri by typing your commands instead of speaking them. This can be really useful in situations where you prefer not to use voice commands, like in a quiet environment, or if you just find typing more comfortable. To start, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are in Settings, scroll down to find Accessibility and tap on it. Accessibility settings are designed to help you customize your device to best fit your needs, and they include options that make it easier to interact with iOS features. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down until you see the Siri option. Tap on Siri to access specific settings related to Siri's behavior. Once you're in the Siri settings, look for an option called Type to Siri. By default, this feature is usually turned off, so to enable it, just toggle the switch to the on position. Once this is done, your iPhone will allow you to type commands to Siri instead of speaking them, making it a more discreet way to interact with Siri. After enabling Type to Siri, you can test it out by holding down the side button. Instead of the voice interface, you will now see a keyboard pop up, allowing you to type your question or command directly to Siri. This gives you the usual Siri functionality, from setting reminders to checking the weather, but with the added convenience of typing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.